dreaming.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have been off of YouTube for probably about 4 or 5 months now. I haven't really been keeping track, but it has been a really long time. So today I'm going to be giving you guys some updates on what has been happening in my life. First things first that I probably should start with, I am now a married woman. Mason and I got married back in April, and it has been about 2 months since we have been married, and it's been amazing. We had the wedding of our dreams. It ended up pouring down rain the entire morning, and then it ended up being so beautiful up until about 2 hours before the wedding. Sun was out, we were able to take pictures. Our wedding was all outside, and so we did have to kind of make separate arrangements to move everything underneath like this giant gazebo. We had so many friends and family come out to celebrate. It was seriously so much fun, and I am just blown away. I'll insert some pictures so you guys can see. Before we got married, the reason why I kind of took off some time from YouTube was because my grandpa had passed away. Things were just happening that it just threw me off of everything. I didn't want to film, I didn't want to do anything. It just was not fun. After my grandpa passed, both of my grandparents ended up going in, my mom's parents ended up going into the hospital. I was also in a very creative funk. I didn't have any ideas. I just felt so uninspired. In between the time that I've been taking off like YouTube and stuff, I kind of started investing in myself as a makeup artist. I do freelance on the side. I haven't been able to do it in such a long time that I just didn't have time to put my everything into it. I've been working really hard to build myself up as a makeup artist. I've created a website, I have started my own business, my own freelancing stuff, and so I've been doing some of that. I've been doing weddings and stuff. One other reason why I kind of took a break from YouTube is because I actually got out of my contract with Style Hall. I was partnered with Style Hall for my YouTube channel for a majority of my YouTube career, and I decided that I wanted out. It took them a while to release me from it, and then it took me a while to get approved by YouTube. It almost took 2 months to get my channel approved by YouTube in order to start getting paid for my content and stuff, but I feel like I'm in a good place now. I am so excited to be back. I hope I can continue to work towards bigger things in this industry. I kind of wanted to just give you guys a quick update on what has kind of been happening the past 4 months. I am not the best YouTuber. I suck at YouTube, honestly. Like, I suck at filming, I suck at everything. I would love for you guys to let me know down in the comments below what videos you guys would like to see here on my channel. I'm not sure how many times I will upload a week. Right now it'll probably be twice a week, just because I don't want to overwhelm myself. So if you guys are curious to see how I got this look, then let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Alright you guys, so first I'm going to start off with my brows. Now, I wasn't going to show my brows on here because I've been doing my brows the same way for years, but I decided to keep it in. So I'm starting off with the Loreal Brow Stylist Definer, and mine is in the shade dark brown, and I'm just filling my eyebrows in, and as you can see, I give a really nice angry look. And then after I fill them in with that brow pencil, I'm taking this Sonia Kashuk concealer pot, and I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows. This is my favorite concealer to clean up brows with. It just is so creamy. It's really nice, and I don't even know if they're going to sell this anymore. I don't think they do, but I love it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out with this Bdellium Tools blending brush. I'm going to actually start on my face first, which is actually very strange for me. I never do this, but I've been loving doing my face first. I don't know why, it just looks amazing. So I started off with MAC Strobe Cream. I love Strobe Cream. It just makes every foundation look amazing. And then I'm going to go ahead and take 2 foundations. The foundations that I'm taking today are the Chanel of Vitalumiere, and this is in the shade 30. And then I'm also taking my YSL foundation in the shade Warm Bisque. And I know these are very high-end foundations, but I love them together. They're both beautiful, and I just love them so much. So next I'm going to go ahead and take some concealer, and I'm actually going to take the Makeup Forever Ultra HD concealer. I don't normally use this concealer, but it is one of my favorites. Now this color is way lighter than any of the shade that I actually use. I can't even remember the color, but I will have it down below for you guys. To prime my eyelids, I'm using the Benefit Stay Don't Stray primer, which I actually really didn't care for this primer for this look. I should have just used concealer, but it is what it is. To bake underneath my eyes and to set all of my concealer and foundation and everything, I'm using the Mercier translucent powder, and I love this stuff. It's amazing. It works really, really well. So I'm just taking that with my beauty blender. I'm going in with this first shade, which is Caramel by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm taking that on this large Morphe blending brush. Now, I'm using this really large brush because I wanted my look to be very blown out, very messy, but blown out. And so this brush covers literally the entire part of my eye space, and so I really loved it for that. Now I'm going in with Noir by Anastasia, and I'm going to apply a generous amount to the outer corners of my eyes. I was going to take this all over, but I feel like I always do all over smoky eyes, and I wanted to do something a little bit different, just a slight variation of that. So I decided to just keep that on the outer corners, but bring it in a little bit more than halfway. I'm going back in with that blending brush, and I'm just going to really blend that out, blow it out, and make it look super, super big, like bigger than my eyelid actually is. I'm going to take just a shimmer shade. I believe this is Shimma by Makeup Geek. I'm just going to apply that to the lid. I really don't want a lot of shimmer on the inner corners or on my eyelids, so I just use something very subtle. I'm going to go ahead and blend away all that powder because we don't need all of it anymore. It has served its purpose. I'm going to take this Makeup Geek bronzer or contour color actually. I believe this is in, I can't even remember what it's in, but again, I will have it down below for you guys. And I'm taking just the Hoola bronzer brush, and I'm just contouring. I haven't been contouring a whole lot lately, but I decided why not for this video. To bronze up my face, which is one of my favorite parts of my makeup routine, I'm using the Balms Bahama Mama with this large bronzer brush from Morphe, and I'm just going to go ahead and literally apply this all over. Bronzing is probably one of my favorite things to do. I'm going to take a little bit more of that Mercier powder, and I'm just going to go ahead and kind of bake underneath my cheekbones. Now I'm only doing this to clean up that area. I'm taking my MAC blush in Harmony and just putting that into my cheekbones, because, not my cheekbones, yeah, well I guess my cheekbones, but it's just a beautiful blush. I'm taking these lashes by, actually I don't know where they're by, but they're just some old ones that I found. And then I'm taking a blue liner by Urban Decay, and I'm just going to I'm going to line my lower lash line. I'm taking this brand new highlighter by Pixi Beauty, and I'm actually applying this. I have been loving this highlighter. It's so beautiful, and it applies so nicely. It's so smooth, so I really love this. I'm going to take that same highlighter, and I'm going to apply that to my brow bones, and I'm also going to use this to highlight the inner corners of my eyes right after I go ahead and blend that away. By the way, at the beginning you guys will notice that I have a few lashes from my lash extensions hanging on. It is what it is, you know? For my lips, I'm going to use this Morphe lip liner. I believe this is in Makeup Talk. I'm just going to line my lips. I'm trying these out. I don't know if I love them yet. And I'm taking this Lip Lock liquid lipstick by Karity. This is in Sugary Sweet, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my lips. And right on top of that, I'm going to go ahead and place Fuel by Urban Decay. This is a high shine well, not a liquid lipstick, but a lip gloss. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I wanted to jump on here and give you guys a quick life update on things that have been happening, and also give you guys this tutorial since I filmed it and put it all into one, and give you guys a great first video back. Like I said, I hope you guys will stick around with me for just a little while longer. I'm just super excited that I'm starting to get my creativity back, and I really hope that I can continue to do this for as long as it wants me to do this. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media. You guys can definitely find me on Instagram, and you guys can find me, I don't use Snapchat anymore. You can find me on Instagram. I believe you can find me on Facebook. I'm going to have my website down below as well, just in case you're in my area and you need some makeup done for some special occasion or something. I don't believe I have any. Oh, I have Twitter. You guys can follow me on Twitter. So I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the week or weekend whenever I post this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!